Have a CGF file from CryEngine game development? This is a 3D geometry file used by Crytek's game engine. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll guide you through working with these Crytek geometry files for game development. If you frequently deal with unusual CGF file types, a universal file viewer is an essential tool. We'll cover exactly the one I use and recommend later in the walkthrough. CGF files are 3D geometry files used by CryEngine game engine developed by Crytek. They contain optimized 3D mesh data, including vertices, polygons, UV coordinates, normals, and material references for static game objects, environment elements, and architectural assets in CryEngine-powered games like Crysis Far Cry and Hunt Showdown. Crytek CGF files use a binary format storing 3D mesh data with optimized vertex buffers, index lists, material assignments, and physics collision data. The format follows CryEngine specifications including LOD, level of detail definitions, skinning information for animated meshes, and rendering optimization data for real-time game performance. The preferred application for managing the CGF file is CryEngine from Crytek. The file must be mounted or accessed using specialized file system emulation software. Windows shows only basic attributes for this category, so full access depends on specialized modeling software. Your first move is to test all possible decoders. Right-click your CGF file and choose Open With. Use CryEngine if it is installed. If it's missing, select another program. Testing is the quickest diagnostic method. If your CGF file will not open yet, do not panic. Before we proceed to the guaranteed fix, let's clarify the why. Here are the top technical explanations for the persistent CGF file error. First, opening in CryEngine. Use CryEngine Editor or Sandbox to open and work with CGF files within game development projects. Launch the editor and import CGF files through the asset browser, placing geometry in game levels. The editor provides 3D visualization, material assignment, and gameplay integration tools for CGF content. Next, importing with plugins. Use community-developed plugins for 3ds, Max, Maya, or Blender to import CGF files into 3D modeling applications. Plugins translate the proprietary format, enabling viewing, modification, and re-export. Configure plugins with proper paths to texture and material files for accurate rendering during editing. Finally, converting formats. Convert CGF files to standard 3D formats like FBX or OBJ using CryEngine export tools or third-party converters. Standard formats enable use in alternative game engines and 3D applications. Test converted files for completeness, as some CryEngine-specific features may not transfer to standard formats. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. An effective path forward often involves using a format-agnostic utility that is designed to prioritize actual data content over the potentially misleading extension name. At this stage, your most reliable recourse is a comprehensive solution like FileMagick. It's built to bypass the limitations of basic tools available at filemagick.com. If the problem is solved, please show your support by liking and subscribing right now.